Hi, it's Kendall from Educating Abroad on Teachers Pay Teachers, and I'm here today to share with you a really fun Zoom game that I've been playing with my pre-K students lately that is also now available on my store. So I'm going to be demonstrating with the game that includes different animals. So I'm calling this my animal guessing game number one for pre-K. It's great on Zoom, but it's also really useful for language development. It's really great for listening and thinking and then responding. So it can be practical for preschool students all the way up to English language learners of any age. And I've tried to incorporate some facts as well. So it's not just fun, but it's obviously also educational. So when you purchase this product, you will get your own copy that will be sent directly to your Google Drive. It's created on Google Slides, and I've made it so that you can still edit the text. So perhaps you might want to use different clues. So that's just a simple retype. You can make the clues say whatever you'd like. But if you're happy with the clues as they are, it's really fun to play. On Zoom, I've just been sharing my screen. And when I share my screen, I have it in present mode. So the students will begin just by seeing the picture. There's a little image they get to see. And some of the students will already call out what they believe it is, but then it moves through with the clues. It is born in the water. Clue number 2, it moves to live on land. Clue number 3, it catches food with its long, sticky tongue. What is it? It is a frog. So as you can see, the clues build up to try to help the students identify what the animal in this case is. So for my very first one, animal guessing game number 1, I have a frog, a dog. Click on it so you can see the dog, a bee. It is a rabbit. It is a cardinal. It is a monarch butterfly. It is a horse. It is a squirrel. It is a tiger. And it is a goldfish. But please check back in my Teachers Pay Teachers store because I'll be creating many different categories such as plants, items around the house, community helpers. I have lots of ideas, but they will all be created in a way similar to this, where there's a simple image, just a part the students can see and try to identify, 3 clues that are editable, and then the final image. So it's been a lot of fun with my pre-Kers. They've loved it. And it's added some nice variety to our regular Zoom meetings. So I hope you find it useful as well. All right, again, educating abroad on Teachers Pay Teachers. Thank you.